Ladies and gentlemen, your attention please. We'll be underway with our main event in just a moment. We have to perform some maintenance on the ring. We'll be underway in just a few moments with the main event of the evening. Please stand by. Ladies and gentlemen, Bob Arum's Top Rank Incorporated, along with your undisputed, undefeated king of beers, Budweiser, this Bud's for you, present the main event of the evening. 12 rounds of boxing for the WBC Welterweight Championship of the World. This bout is sanctioned by the New Jersey State Athletic Control Board, Boxing Commissioner Larry Hazard Sr., Chairman Jerry Gormley, board members Gary Shaw and Stephen Katz, Deputy Commissioner John Greco, our four physicians at ringside, Dr. Earl Shaw, Dr. Eric Wormser, Dr. Dominic Coletta Jr., and Dr. Howard Taylor. Timekeeper at the bell, Roosevelt Gilbert. Counting for the knockdown seconds, alternate referee Lindsey Page. This bout is also sanctioned by the World Boxing Council, President Jose Sulaiman, supervisors at ringside Mario Latraverse and Eduardo Lamazon. The three judges will be scoring this bout on a 10-point must system at ringside. They are Richie Davies, John Riley, and Sergio Silvi. And when the bell rings, the man in charge of the action, working in a world title bout, number 101, Joe Cortez. And now, ladies and gentlemen, for the thousands in attendance and the millions watching around the world, from Caesars Atlantic City, let's get ready to rumble! Introducing first, fighting out of the blue corner, wearing white and weighing in at 147 pounds. His professional record stands at 27 victories, including 18 knockouts with only 2 losses and 1 draw. Ladies and gentlemen, here is the WBC number 4 ranked challenger in the world, de Rio Piedras, Puerto Rico, Wilfredo Rivera. And his opponent across the ring, fighting out of the red corner, wearing white, trimmed with black. He also weighs in at 147 pounds. In 1992, he captured Olympic gold, and now, as a professional, he has a perfect record of 26 consecutive victories without a loss, 21 by knockout, and he has won 4 world titles. Ladies and gentlemen, from East Los Angeles, California, presenting the former junior lightweight world champion, former lightweight world champion, former super lightweight world champion, and reigning WBC welterweight champion of the world, the undefeated Golden Boy, Oscar De La Hoya.
All right, gentlemen, we went over the rules in that dressing room. Ya leí las reglas en el camerino. I want a good, clean fight. Quiero una pelea limpia. Protect yourselves at all time. Give me good sportsmanlike conduct. Shake hands, touch them up. Suerte. Hey, I want those cameras. I want those cameras off the canvas. I I want these cameras off the canvas. If you're not using it, hey, these cameras got to be off the canvas. Only one up there.
Tienes que comenzar más con el jab, ¿ok? Ahí va el water. Come on. Way out. Okay? Just keep it more moments. Just move more circles, jump, side to side.
Yeah.
Side to side, okay? And just busy with the jab. Don't wait for the guy. You gotta be first. Alright? Just keep working in here.
Para tirarte arriba. Cuando se meta aquí abajo, si lo ponle a la derecha adelante, cógelo con esa. Pero la clave es el jab, Wilfredo. ¿Ok? Y esa derecha bien arriba. ¿Ok? Bájate muy bonito ese round. Wilfredo, ciérrale el ojo con el jab, Pa, pa, ese jab trabajando. ¿Ok? Tiene chance, vamos al cuerpo duro. La izquierda abajo. No te vuelvas allá y poner la izquierda abajo. Ha tenido chance de ponerle esa izquierda dura por abajo. Oíste, se las pusiste y se fue a caminar. Oíste, Wilfredo.
All right, seconds out, seconds out. head, Isaac. Cuidado con la cabeza. ¿Cómo te sientes aquí? Ok, me refiero, yo estoy aquí para protegerte, no quiero que coja golpe necesariamente, ¿ok? Quiero que te defiendas, si no te defiendes...
Get me Vaseline.
Si no te defiendes bien, tengo que parar la pelea. ¿Ok? Ok. Keep on. Come on, watch your head, watch your head. Come on, keep the punches out. Let's go. The trunks are high. Come on, the trunks are high. Yeah, all right.
Excuse me. Let me see what's going on underneath. No, it's not a cut underneath. Okay. Keep working on that person. You're doing a good job. Thank you.
¿Cómo te sientes aquí, Wilfredo?
Give it to him.
Wilfredo, how do you feel?
¿Cómo te sientes bien para seguir? Ok, tú aquí para protegerte, ok. Yo soy tu árbitro, tú aquí para protegerte.
Oíste, el hombre está cansado. Oye, vamos a trabajar un poco más esas manos arriba. Y tu jab, y tu jab.
All right, seconds out, seconds out. Seconds out, let's clear that corner.
Bit first, right?
Don't give him any malice.
You know, when you know you're not punching, feint and punch.
Te pones a los zurdos, el ojo de la sangre te queda adelante. Oíste, quédate a lo derecho, quédate a lo derecho. Oíste, estás bien vivo, muévete en esa mano derecha arriba, bajito, bajito, ponle las manos duras por abajo.
No,
Oíste, no.
Look at that.
Está bien. Cogimos ese round, papá. Cogimos ese round y tú estás quedando. Dame el más bien.
Seconds out.
Dame el más bien.
Let's go, guys. Get that camera out of here.
want you to feel like a champ in there, kid. A little bouncing back and forth, feint, snap those punches.
Wilfred, ¿tú sabes que va a ser grande esta victoria? Sí. El venir de atrás así, el venir de atrás, cortado y todo, y vamos a meter la presión, Wilfredo, el hombre está quedado.
Está bien, Wilfredo, está bien para seguir, ¿eh? ¿Está bien?
¿Cómo te sientes?
Hey, Joe. Joe. Joe.
All right, seconds out, Percy. out corner. Stop. Come on, Craig. Get out corner. Go ahead. Get out corner. Take that cut out.
Fredo, I'm going to stop the fight. You're seeing
Ladies and gentlemen, referee Joe Cortez, acting on the advice of physician at ringside, Dr. Howard Taylor, has to call a halt to the bout because of a severe laceration suffered over the right eye of the challenger. The winner by TKO victory and still the undefeated welterweight champion of the world, the Golden Boy, Oscar De La Hoya. Ladies and